Shalom, welcome back to our video. So today we are going to look at how we can insert table of content in a document. So the very first thing that we need to do is to make all these titles we are seeing here headers. So this one being our main title, I think we can even first center it. So this is our main title, so we shall be making this one our header one. So in order for us to make this our header one, there are many ways to do this. The simplest way is to come just next to these dots. You tap on them after having highlighted your title, then you just tap on header one. So when you tap on header one, it's going to become a header here, okay? So our next title here, it's going to be a subtitle. So the other way how we can make this one also a header is just coming here. So maybe on your display of a Word document, you're not going to see block text or body text. Maybe you're going to see something like A, B, C, D, and so on. It's going to be as long as you're in your home window, okay? So when you come here, you're not going to see the headers being labeled here. So what you're going to do, you're going to come here on the drop down icon, then you're going to tap on it. So being that our heading, let's first go back. Being that our main heading is header 1, we need to make these other subheadings either header 2 or header 3, okay? So we are going to highlight them. So when we highlight them and come back here, we are going to select header 2, okay? So when you select header 2, it's going to change, and if you're to come here, you're going to see that it's labeled as header 2, and as for this one, it is header 1. So we are going also to come here. So the same story, we come here, we either make it header 3 or header 2. So we can make it header 2. There is something else I want to show you. So let us make this one header 3, okay? There is something I want to show you. So after you've made the titles headers, that is the only way you can insert the table of content, because the table of content is only going to show the headings of each and every section, okay? This is our main heading, basically the theme of the entire document. Then these other subheadings, it is actually advised to make them header 2 or header 3 or header 4. So when you come here, if you want to insert, you're going to come here on references, okay? So when you come here on references, if you tap on references, you're going to come at your extreme left here. So you're going to tap here down on the drop icon. So when you tap on the drop icon, there are three sections here. There is table 1, there is table 2, and there is table 3, okay? So if at all you've done is to label all these headers, all these titles, title 1, title 2, title 3, 2, you may even have like 1,000 titles. If you've labeled them all header 1, header 1, header 1, this is what you can select. This is what you can select, because if we select this one, we are not going to see all these ones in our table of content, because this first option only shows header 1s, okay? Here they are labeling it level 1, but it's header 1s, okay? So when we tap on this one, we are only going to, the only table of content that is going to be generated, it's going to be of header 1, okay? So when you come to this other option, if you tap on this one, it's only going to go till header 2, okay? Till header 2. But remember, in our document, if you're to look very well, in our document, we also have header 3, okay? So what we are going to do, in order for us to represent each and every header, you're going to select this last one, okay? this last one, it's the one you're going to select. Okay, so when you tap on it, just a moment, make sure when make sure when you're inserting, make sure that your cursor is here. Okay, if you put it here, the table of content is going to be put here, so you bring it here at the top. So when you bring it here at the top, that's when you're going to come here and you're going to press to select this third table. So when you select this third table, you're going to, now this is our table of content. Okay, so if one wants to go to maybe to this section, they will just tap on this one and they will take them here. So the main reason that the main use of the table of content is just to easily come to the section you want to. Okay, for instance, if we had like 100 headers here, or 100 sections of our document, it will take you time to scroll down. But with a header, the table of content here, you just have to select, like for instance, now we're on ministry and teachings. So if you want to go back to introduction, I'll just tap on introduction and I'll be here in introduction. It will save me time. So thank you for watching. Yeah, and if at all we add anything in our document and we want to update, it is still very easy. Let me see whether we have another document here. So for instance, we want also to add this one. Let me first make it good. For instance, if you want to add this section, so what we are going to do, the same story, we are going to add let us make it header 3. Okay, so when we make it header 3, when we come here up, what we are going to do, we can easily come here and we just update. Okay, so when you tap on update, they are going to bring you this window. Update page numbers only, update the entire table. So you could just say update the entire table. So when you tap on it, also our death and resurrection header is going to be seen here. So this is what you're going to do as you're adding in more details. You just have to make a head of the section you've added in, then you come here and you update. So thank you for watching. I kindly request you subscribe, like, share, because when you subscribe, you support the channel, and when you support the channel, we are able to bring even more other helping videos that are going to help you to learn even more of other things. So shalom, thank you for watching.